If you want to network and grow your YouTube channel, then you might want to watch this video talking about the app Clubhouse because, in my opinion, it's a total game changer. Hey guys, what's up? Tyler here and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about some ways to network and grow on YouTube using the app Clubhouse. And so if you don't know what Clubhouse is, basically it's an app that you can get into rooms with other people who are on Clubhouse and talk about really anything. And right now, as I'm on there, I'm seeing a lot of groups talking about YouTubers, smaller YouTubers, bigger YouTubers, marketing, and in general, there's all kinds of different genres and categories on Clubhouse. This just isn't for creators. It's really for anybody. And so there's an event coming up at 8 p.m. tonight called the TechTuber Lounge. And so if I wanted to click on that, it is going to be hosted by Viper. I didn't know it was hosted by him. And it's just a place for tech creators or any content creators to come and hang out and talk YouTube. All are welcome. And so that's today at 8 p.m. And so there's scheduled events at the top. And then I can see any live clubhouses that are actually active where people are talking. And so here's one called Talking YouTube. Chat for all YouTubers, big and small, to join. And I've been part of that clubhouse. It comes on and off. And I've talked and asked questions, and it's been great. I've found that by joining these rooms as a YouTuber, there is a huge potential for networking and for growth. And so I've been joining these clubhouses for YouTubers, and I'm getting chances to talk to YouTubers that have 100,000 subscribers, 300, 400, 500,000 subscribers. Usually the ones that I'm part of, the different rooms that I'm in, there's people that are hosting, and then they're taking questions from people that are in the audience. And you can hit the little raise your hand button, and they'll bring you up on the stage, the virtual stage, and then you can unmute your mic and either contribute to the previous conversation if you want to, or ask a question. There's no specific rules that, Clubhouse has to be structured with questions and like that. But that's just kind of the way these rooms are working right now. But I'm getting chances to talk to a lot of people who are in the space of content creation on YouTube, and I'm learning a lot, but I'm also building relationships with these people. And Twitter and Instagram integration are built into Clubhouse, only to the extent that people can view your profile and then go follow you on Instagram and Twitter pretty much with just one or two clicks. And so I'm finding that I'm joining these Clubhouse groups. Whenever I go up to talk on stage, I'm either sharing something to contribute to the conversation to show that I have value that I can add to the conversation, or I'm asking a question that is not just some yes or no question that, it shows that you put some thought into your question. And I've noticed that after I'm done asking my question and talking, and after I leave the room, if I go to my notifications, 9 times out of 10, I have a new follower or 2 new followers. And so there's a lot of room for growth. And I'm connecting with a lot of people and talking with a lot of people that I normally wouldn't have. That I follow some of these people on Twitter, but I've never had a conversation with them ever before, just because it just really hasn't lent itself to that. But on Clubhouse, it's inviting as a platform to just have an open conversation. I just think it's a great place to go and connect with other creators, connect with other people that are in your business. If you want to learn how to maybe run a business a little bit better, there's all kinds of groups going on talking about business and, making your first $1 million and it's not junk information either. It's good information. So you might be saying, hey, that sounds great. Clubhouse sounds like fun, but how is it going to help you grow on YouTube? Well, kind of speaks for itself. There's a lot of information getting dumped on people from experienced YouTubers on Clubhouse and the networking opportunities where you can collaborate with each other and make videos together. But there is just a lot of information to help you grow your channel, how to look at analytics, how to find what videos do best for you and how to build upon that. A lot of talk about equipment and gear and just balancing YouTube and life and all kinds of stuff. And it's just information that's really going to help you apply different methods and processes to help your YouTube channel grow better and more efficiently, and help you spend less time trying to fret about things and trying to learn things on your own whenever other people are freely giving this information away. And so if you're on Clubhouse, let me know down in the comment section below. You can find me on Clubhouse. I am at Tyler Miller. For once in my life, I got the Tyler Miller handle before it's been taken up because it's like the most common name combination in existence. Cannot have it on any other platform, but I found it on Clubhouse since I got in there somewhat early. But if you're on Clubhouse, let me know. I'd love to connect with you guys. You can join a Clubhouse. We can talk about really anything, YouTube, tech, videos, whatever. I'm looking to build on Clubhouse, reach out, make relationships. And you guys can also find me on Twitter and Instagram. I'm Tyler Miller TV on both of those platforms. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified when new videos go live. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like on it. Thanks for watching again, and we'll see you guys in the next video.